my channel before we get started. If you're here and you're not yet subscribed, I'd love to have you stick around. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Like the video. If you like it, leave me a nice comment down below. All that stuff really helps out my channel. Onto the video. And we're doing a Stitch Fix try-on video where you can get all of your holiday clothing needs, or you can gift someone a box. I don't know. I've been doing Stitch Fix for years now. I have a couple of pieces from them. I love them. I will leave my affiliate link down below. I think you get your styling fee waived and I get a little bit of a kickback for it too. So it's a win-win for everybody if you want to try Stitch Fix this holiday season. A bag with a shipping label. I'm being really careful not to turn it around and show you my address. So you can send back any of the items that you don't want. You also get a note here from, you get like a personal stylist. My stylist is Katie. I've had her for a while now. And the reason I did another fix was because they waived my styling fee. So I did it. She just said, so happy to style this next fix for you. Your closet's a mix of polish and ease, building outfits a joy. I leaned into versatile pieces that you can dress up or dress down for fall in, and then she put my hometown where I live. And then she just kind of goes into detail about the pieces that are in my fix. Here's the little bundle. We'll undo it and see what we got going on. Soft sweatshirty material, cute. I'm gonna push you back a little bit so maybe you can see. Yeah, it's like a sweatshirt, but it kind of looks like a jacket. It's soft, has a zipper. Z Supply, let's see what this is. Z Supply, beach, no, not the maxi dress. Z Supply, heritage knit denim jacket, indigo, size large, $140. Took my breath away. I think I said this last time. I feel like it's a little bit pricey. We'll try it on, but that's pricey. Post. Montgomery Post Cleo gold button vest. $49. Okay, this is pretty. And actually, I have a couple of like skirts that this might look pretty with. I like the buttons, kind of classy, classic looking. The price point is okay. It is a really soft kind of knit. I don't know. I always say I have to try these things on to really get like a feel for if they're my style or not. But this is cute. This could be cute. I like this. Maybe with like a bodysuit underneath of it. Okay, that could be cute. Callie Tier Hem shirt dress, green, size large, $69. Okay, this is kind of cute and festive for the holidays, right? This is cute. It's got like a little puff sleeve. This is cute. Supply maxi dress, $68.97. What's going on here? It's just a maxi dress. It does have pockets. The material's nice. It does have this like stretchy material at the top. And again, it's just a long blue dress. Studio blue Dawn wide leg pant, size 10, $78. Okay, I have these in a mustard color. I do like these pants. These are like a green. Did I say green? Dark green. I just don't need another pair of pants. But these are great pants if you need a pant. Okay, let's try these things on and then we'll come back and talk prices. Angle's probably a little different because I did try these things on, but let's talk prices. The subtotal of all 5 of these pieces is $404.97. But if you buy all, you get a buy 5 discount, which is 25%. So then that would take it down to $303.73. They're not going to take off my styling fee because I didn't, like I said, I didn't pay a styling fee. But normally, if you do pay a styling fee, you'll get that, I think it's $25 styling fee off as well. I'm not keeping all 5 of these pieces, but let's kind of go through them. These pants, Studio Blue. They are definitely stretchy. She sent them in a size 10. I could probably size down to an 8 because they are so stretchy. I feel like after I wear them for a while, they might stretch out and be too big. And to be honest, the golden ones are like what am I trying to say here? I have like a golden pair in my closet, and I think they're a size 12. I haven't worn them in a while, so they're probably already a little bit too big. So while I did like these, I really don't need them, and they were a little bit big anyhow. The Montgomery Post gold button front vest. I think I'm gonna keep this only because I have a skirt that I'm envisioning this with. It's a little plaid skirt with some knee-high black boots. I think it would look really cute. The Z Supply Beachside maxi dress. Listen, I know I talked a lot of smack about this thing. It's really pretty. It does have adjustable straps. When I put it on, the straps were a little bit too long, but that didn't affect the way it looked on me. I thought this was so pretty. It had a really pretty, like, flared out shape. It's got a nice weight to it. I think it's lined. Is it lined? Yes. It does have a nice lining with it. And the shape of it is so nice. This stretchy part looked really pretty across my chest. It made my back look really pretty. It does have pockets. Am I trying to talk myself into this, even though it's the dead of winter and I don't need a beachside maxi dress? It just flowed and moved so pretty. This is a maybe. I'll let you guys know in editing if I keep this or not. $68. It is a little spendy with that vest. I feel like I can only keep one or the other. Did they call it a denim? Yeah, a knit denim jacket. I don't know if I'm like petite. I think I'm probably petite up top because my legs are long, but my torso is really short, and I feel like my arms are really short. The arms felt really big and baggy. I do like the idea of the knit. It's really soft and comfortable. I just didn't like how it looked on me, and to be honest, the price point of $140 is a little bit steep for my price point. She was so cute. She's lined too, but I think I show you in the try on portion. I feel like my arms are like kind of chubby. My arms are definitely my trouble spot, and you can see where this is like elastic, and it's just like I don't want to say texture thing, but kind of a texture thing where like my clothes are too tight. Okay, you've made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my links down below. Check out my affiliate link if you're interested in using it. Check out my other links. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.